welcome. I'm so excited to announce we have two new patterns. They are our 28th special edition, limited edition pattern presale. They're going to be released starting this morning, and they'll be available for presale through Sunday. So let me tell you a little bit about them and why I chose them. The first is the blouse I have on, but you're going to see it as 423. And y'all know that I just love black, and I made the original black because I was wearing it, making it for something that I was going to, and I didn't have time to make a new one for the photo shoot, so we did it in black, and I thought, oh, they're gonna hate me for this one. But I went ahead and did it in a white so that you can see all the details. So what I love about this original was Bailey 44. It's got a built-in tank inside so that it has this beautiful neckline, but yet the tank is built in. So you could do it the same color, different colors. Oh, so many different options. And here's a photo of a close-up. So this close-up is 423, and you can see I took two shots, one directly and one from the side. You can see all the line drawings online. You can see all the details, the back, the yardage. You can see all of that, the type of fabric you need, everything. And then we did it with a pair of pants, and these pants by the manufacturer, they're pattern number 3415. They are a pull-on yoga pant, but they have a pin tuck down the front. And this pin tuck is so flattering that it's amazing. Very easy to sew. You know, kind of like we could say like the old days, but it's the new days, and it's very popular, and it's very slimming because it just gives that long vertical line coming up the front. The blouse gives kind of a blouson effect, so also very flattering no matter what you wear it with. Skirt, it doesn't matter what you pair the blouse with, it's just very flattering, especially for these pants right now that are coming up higher waisted, because it does give you that blouson look. The pant was described by the manufacturer as wearing pajamas to work, but looking like you're going to black tie. I love that. I thought that was great. So 3415 is the pant. Again, they're on fit to stitch. And I'll show you a close-up of the pant so that you can see that. This is just a quickie photo that we took. So here's the deal. 5-day pre-sale. I'm going to sign to you, to whoever buys it, sign it to you, date and number, not date, sorry, number every pattern. So however many we print after that pre-sale will be all, and you will have a certain number of that total number, and it will be written on the back of the pattern. So the back of the pattern has space for me to sign to you with my signature, and then the date and how many are total. So it's going to be limited edition collection. These 5 days are the only time that we'll allow and sell them. We'll never bring them back. We'll never do anything else like that. And I think it's just fun. They are classic. The shaping of this leg is incredible. You've got to trust me on this one. I know, because you can't really see the shaping on me or in a model. You can't really see it. But I promise you'll love this pant. And we've got lots of fabrics that we're putting up. We put some up this morning. For the blouse, we'll continue to put up all week for the pant as well. And you'll love it. So the goal is for me to help you have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns, and happy 28th. We could not have done it without you. You all know that. But 28 years, we're going to celebrate. Thanks so much. Happy sewing.